It's Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Uncle for the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Lions, happy Thursday. How we doing? How we doing?
Records, ho. Zion, hidden, they know, math clicking. Hey, I'm patient, I'm waiting, I'm feeling the wave. Got the
How we doing? How we doing? Happy Thursday, El Pasoto. Baldicular MJ. Vladimir. Curvies. Asi. Rescue Q. Let's go, Baldicular. Cage. Mark. Shout outs to PSG in the house. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs El Pasoto, Curvies, Mangler. Yeah, it was a little transition. Good showing. We Gucci. I'm good if you good. Well, we good then. What? Nitrogen, Nono Diabito, a C. Shout outs calling noob, John Keefe, Kimba Gang always, Papiga, Hannah Montana, Shays locked in. Return TTV, thank you for the resub. Pedro, Gaboo, Skip Moha. How was the live trading a little while ago? Pretty juicy. Quit playing with me. Let's go, Kimba. It's Mandalo time. Yeah, hard act to follow. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. You set a great example. Let's go, XLRD.
Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asian and Indonesian.
Spitting on beats and using overlays, but their content ain't got no meaning. If we see mods blink and the chat gets wild, we don't shut down, we're streaming. Lock the vote, it won't stop our scheming. Lost some fam, yeah, the pain was deepened. Posted up by the charts all night with a grip on the juice, no sleeping. Trying to live calm, but the game don't wait, so rest.
Let's give a huge round of applause for Kimba's plans in the den and in the Wise Lions. Exclamation Discord. Check out Kimba's Den. Get caught up. What? Finally, right, Kay? Right, big dog? Yeah, it makes a difference. Yeah. Yep. Let's go, Cake Shower. Vladimir, happy 420. Happy 420 was on the water yesterday, enjoying life. Shout outs to Happy. Pedro, let's get it. Mohan Sahu. All is good. All is good. I hope all is well with you too, brother. Bongo Duo. Let's go. 64 JPX. All right. Well, the biggest thing went through in the den, but something that we were talking about yesterday. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my goodness. How about NVIDIA? Fly. Fly. Got those earnings in, huh? Hey, we said watch that 205, did we not? Nice. Who got in an NVIDIA thang? I still got the black lung curvies. I was hacking up a kidney earlier, but yeah, it's getting better. Thanks, brother. I've been avoiding going to the doctor. I think that I'm gonna end up going just in case I have like pneumonia or something. Calling Noob. Shout outs to Calling Noob. Big D Energy. Thank you, Calling Noob. Shout outs Pedro. Shout outs Calling Noob. Juicing. Calling Noob juicing. Get that umbrella out. Yep, I feel it coming on. I know, Curvies. I hate going to the doctor. Like, I am a doctor, and I fucking don't even do it. Where's the guy that rejects at the open? Well, I'll tell you what. NVIDIA is looking juicy. It's going to save the whole market. And you know, Biddy, I think that the move this morning, at least, maybe not now, but this morning had a little bit to do with the options. Right into that. I mean, it was daily, but still, it was a cool little move. And we got monthly options in the morning. So keep an eye out. Yeah, we'll go through our tickers in a minute. Oh man.
Make the entries clutch, put that on a chart. Levels on a chart, we do them. Reps for us, walk that shit. Make it one of us. The juice that we're sipping potent. Ice blue eyes glowing, still ballin', showing, off discipline, rolling, valet.
Do a quick recap of our workflow. Everybody good? Curvy, same for me, man. The last time I went to the doctor for myself, it was for it was like for an injury.
We coach them then pass them, show them the difference, don't chase, be a master. Dashboard lit, flooring, got your track going wild, roaring. They like lion, we adore you. I'm like baby, we not normal. Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang.
Some silly accidents.
Kimba gang, Kimba gang, Kimba gang.
Okay. So S&P first. Exclamation boo gammas. Hit him with the flashbang. Sorry, y'all. We got some boot gammas around 77. Yeah, it's pretty balanced, but mostly on the call side. Biggest right above, turn it into resistance. The biggest was 77.40, like pretty much right where we rejected, and we're right at a gamma shelf at 77.25. Gamma cliff anyway. And there's like a little something thing on the put side at 77.15, so it might pull things down a little bit. And on the retest end, there's nothing really below here. So watch it into the market close. It might end up drifting back upwards. You got a lot of... Yeah. I can't put two sentences together, so don't worry. Extreme high, enter bear div. Shorts and longs going into the high on Binance. Shorts starting to come in on Binance. Exclamation XO. Let's get it.
No more stress, just manifest. Say we juicing from the left to the right. See my charts, they be looking too nice.
A little bit of shorts are offsides on BTC USD. We'll have to watch that. I think if we lose this high here, then, and that's top left, they'll start to puke.
No stressing, just cruising. More profit, no losing. Who juicing? Kimba gang.
We'll go ahead and look at the heat map really fast too. Yeah, not a whole lot. There was a bunch. There was a bunch before this morning, and they kind of pulled it all. They weren't huge for the ladders. It wasn't like Magneto or anything, but they had a nice little ladder of orders, and they pulled it right at that early pump. 8 o'clock into 9 o'clock. I mean, for UTC anyways, and that's right at the expiry.
No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no begins, then no delay.
Yep, couldn't quite get it above 80 for that. At least the close. Okay, let's get in the dashboard real quick. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go. Roscoe. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Shout out to Roscoe. Shout out to Kimba Gang always. Papiga. First step by the book is done. Let's go, Mangler.
Kimba, we still ballin' out. Well, I just can't fight it. Now got me tired and show me all the things I miss.
Let's get the juice going, y'all.
Fed got my attention. Almost addicted.
Wake up. Wake up. Let's go.
Cause I hate what the market had before. But you're so sweet.
All right, we got bad highs on CME, and they're still managing to hold.
That's my kind of fun. When you give me
Excuse me. I don't think that that's Gex Flip any longer. No, it is.
It's what I'm after. Give it up power, little hike or hold, so we never hit the floor. I love that tension. I overheat when the up foam brings fire. It burns like a rally sun. Just a drip from the cuts now on. Cause I hate what the market had before. But you're so sweet when you run. But it's rougher now, no cut in store. Jerome, that's my
Right to VWAP on CME. This pullback, I mean, to hold the trend, we just need to hold really previous day settlement. And it's still in value right now. Yeah, single print looking good for RTH.
Oh, you logged in and set the tone. Locked down the news. Markets glued to the zone. Whole squad waiting. Tension through the room. Hawkish on the timeline. Bulls and bears in the zoom. Charts keep moving. Candles in control. Held the rate tight. No release on the scroll. Kept us grinding. FOMC. No sign. Now we ride a chop till we see that sign. Still we circle back.
It's pretty cool it held that single print actually for RTH. Math, Aurum. Math. Shout out to Aurum. Okay, let's get in the dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Got some unfilled rotations to the upside, definitely building some liquidity above these highs. We'll check that on the liquidation maps in just a minute. Keep an eye on VWAP. I think you want to hold volume point of control on the daily session, but it can retrace all the way to this low and still remain bullish. This is a retest on previous day value. So pretty nice previous day value and daily open. Nice little momentum play after this breakout. So local higher high, broke structure, retest, previous value and daily open. Pretty textbook. Pretty textbook for anybody that got the pullback. I think it's the 7.5 fib for the impulse. So if you took that, yeah, 786. Not too shabby. Yeah. Was it? Yeah, it doesn't say that. Is that 886?
Level up the trade bull, bear flag confirmation. Squad in the chat, celebrating on occasion. Kimba math running, risk on calculation. Profits in the system, breakout activation. If you want the
Pixel 886. Shout out to the 886 game. Let's go, Kirby's.
charts, only chase what I mean. Let them disappear, poof, haters off the screen. Juice running.
You took 75 and juiced? 75 Bitcoin, or you took it from 75 over the weekend? Aurum. Sniping them, Curvies. Let's go. Yeah. Headshot. CBD hidden bullet, yeah. Okay. Well, let's see our liquidations on the 48-hour. Starting to eat back into the aggression of the move. Right here. Came and grabbed it this morning pretty nicely, but then built it back up on that sell-off. And then, yeah, just kind of as discussed, there definitely is some liquidity below these lows. Especially holding with this candle right here.
Desde la mañana marcando niveles, esperando la hora para entrar donde duele. La pantalla brilla, los verdes me llueven. El chat encendido, la familia se mueve. No suerte, plan y paciencia, sumando entrada con
Yeah, that load that we were watching yesterday, it was a nice reversal. We were talking about that level. The den definitely, Kimba went through. You missed the move this morning? Yeah, same. They happened, you know, before I was up. I was kind of like in and out because the kids or whatever, but I wasn't staying up all night on a Wednesday night. It's all good. Oh, you got the 7.5, 786 retracement. I see you, Aurum. Nice. Yeah, that was juicy. He has a good little trade. A little bit more below that 77. Below in that 77 range. 2022. What's that? Is that where ETH is going? What were you doing back in 2022? So this is current now. It's not from before. You can't see that previous data. Biggest gamma peak is quite large. And for tomorrow's expiration, it still is pretty big. That's what she said. Right at 80K. Gex flip is like not even, you know, in our equation. Neither is max pain, 69K, like so far away you don't even think about it. Stability a little higher, 81. Yeah, I could see them pulling back a little from 80 into tomorrow, but maybe we get some chads come in and do something like what happened this morning with the move. Yeah, it wasn't this large. There was a pretty big peak yesterday afternoon at 78. A modest size peak at 79, and then the biggest was at 80 yesterday. So just imagine this being like a little bit taller right here. And they pushed it up, and then it kind of pulled back from that 80 and left those 80K calls in the wind. But above GEX flip, you know that volatility tends to be a little bit suppressed, despite the volatility that we are experiencing since coming up here last week. 39K low single prints, yeah, and gaps. Yeah, we were watching that one. Not in 2022. We were watching that in 24. Are you talking about like on the way down in 2022? Okay. Well, not sure what you're looking at on the screen. Check out the CoinWise knowledge base. Again, this is the coinwise.com/dashboard. And the CoinWise knowledge base, you just link it up at the top. So from the dashboard, right there. And you can check out GEX. There's a nice little lesson on it. Free for all video. Make sure you follow. Oh shit, what did I just miss? What did I just miss? I got this on top of... Did I just see something? Did it just like... Did I miss something?
Tides are turning, the charts at the edge. Price tapping on the level.
I'm doing well, Roscoe. I'm doing well. There's always going to be another one. Yeah, but that GEX lesson is nice. They also have a nice lesson on options, and everything else is Gucci Magucci. You get to get caught up if you're unfamiliar with it. With a lot of the things that we discuss on stream all the time. Oh, nothing. This little thing, the flash down here, it like made me do a double take, Cage. I thought it was a giveaway overlay. Holy shit. Because of the plasma. Whoa. But nah. We good. I'm good if you good. How you doing, Cage? How you doing, Cage? Cage is cooking.
Dominating!
Yeah. And I apologize, Cage. Don't stress this. I like started to update it, and when I updated the net longs and shorts first and foremost, it skewed it, and I was like kind of scrambling. I didn't have time to make it all match up the way that I wanted to see it, and so I just like put it back on there. I'm like, I'm not fucking with this at all before stream. I'll get it dialed in afterwards. You know how it is. But he's been updating a whole lot of shit. It's looking good. So what you have on screen over on the left, this is aggregated open interest, part of the new aggregated suite from CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Get yourself a free trial, 14 days. Juicy. Aggregated open interest. Definitely growing up into this move. Longs and shorts. Perp CVD. Spot CVD. Spot driven. for this push during market open. A little bit of selling off the highs. I mean, could just be like hitting stops below this market structure break. And then buys and sells, relative volume, RSI, funding rate aggregated, part of that new aggregated suite. The matrix, nothing bearish yet according to the matrix on the 30-minute. We'll dive more into that in a bit. And then liquidations. Nothing too dramatic on the liquidations front, but there was a little bit of licks this morning. A little bit of licks this morning. 130. Yeah, that's like 250 liquidations, coins. I like it in coins. I don't know, it's just like I'm kind of programmed to calculate it that way. Robo, what's going on with the Robo? Let's go Papiga, let's go Hannah. Is my voice sounding robotic? Is the music too loud? I just cut it back a little bit. If it's still too loud, just let me know. Gucci, thank you, Kimba Gang, always. How you doing, Sophia? Okay. Starting to get that red CVD delta. Delta divergence, warning a potential turnaround, but nothing even on the 15 minutes for confirmation. So we haven't changed just yet. It got red for the trend candle here. And the reason is you have all neutral except for one red, so one of them wins. We the juicy is the largest. Been shot in this game the longest. Regardless, the data been oh so flawless. OGs taught me risk management. Stay cautious. So you have fibs. You have delta divergence. Previous value. Yes, previous value is extended. Huh. Oh, that was the rotation. Extended, nice. That's different, isn't it? Because I've been hiding it. It actually did break that high. Mangler 80.2. Is that what you're looking for? What, in like the 5 minute? Trading view is broken. Too much juice. Too much juice. It doesn't like me going back like this. Let's go, Magic Mike. Thank you for the resub. I think maybe a retest at like 80.3 if we get a couple of low time frame candles back inside our session T-val. This is 05, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm still waiting on red cuts, but I'm shining through the cycle, healthy in the mind.
Yeah, even with this high form in here, we don't have any confirmation that this is the high. In fact, we're still holding the trend. So it was like this. Maybe like that. Oh, that was better. It's pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, the hourly trend, it looks pretty good. It's still holding. Not that you guys need me to draw a line on the chart. Okay, so you saw these indicators. We had the CoinWise levels on the right, TPO Pro, rotation zones, corresponding pretty much with what you can see on the dashboard, coinwise.com/dashboard. VRVP, that's just like a standard trading view indicator. This is the only one I think that I have on this layout. This is ATR trend right here, and right along this, so that's our bullish ATR trend, and until it breaks, so this red line is the ATR trend line. Until you break through it, it's going to remain above price. Once you do break through it, it's going to sit below price for your ATR. And it's good, like a good projection for possible movements based on your average true range. It's part of the confirmation matrix. The levels, just important levels, along with VWAPs. This is daily, weekly VWAP, and then monthly, which is going to be concluding before too long. Monthly's down here. This is, I think this one is yearly. It's been so far away. Yeah, the purple's yearly and teal is quarterly, which should be a little bit lower. I don't know. It's somewhere on the chart. But TPO Pro, you have the value areas, open and initial balance range, displayed right here, and then rotation zones, along with single prints, which I broke. No, I don't want to do that. Oh, it is there. Duh. I don't really need PD open. And I don't have daily open because I already have it marked with TPO Pro. Let's go curvies. You remember yesterday when I was like talking about the music request, and I'm like, yeah, back in the day we used to have people requesting Pump It Up like 50 times in a row, and then this song came on like that instant. That was pretty funny. Exclamation CoinWise 14-day free trial. Shout out to CoinWise. They got some new education about to drop. I think, yeah, every time they're in a long. Exactly. New education about to drop. Quizzes, I think, they're going to have a bunch of quizzes coming out. Maybe this weekend. Journal is coming along super nice. Oh, snap. Let's go, Houston. Yeah, and just wait for the new LIQUIDITY's Got Talent show. Tune in tomorrow afternoon. Exclamation talent show. You can get your own lyrics turned into a song and have the chance to win $250 bucks. That's big juice. Just for having some fun and making a little song. Even if you don't win, it's a lot of fun to make a song and hear it played on stream. Make its way into the rotation for posterity. Yeah, and at the end of this talent show season, all of the individual show winners will go head to head. Ooh, Houston, I can if I'm allowed. We're gonna vibe out. Yeah, but all the talent show winners will go head to head for a grand prize. LIQUIDITY's Got Talent. Yeah, just click the link, submit your lyrics, and get it. If you are watching this on the replay, just go to the Kimba Discord, exclamation Discord. The last one on the list. Oh, wait. Respect. Dude, when I hear people say that, I just think of Ollie G. Shout outs to Ollie G. You think of Birdman? I mean, that's Hometown Hero, isn't it, Houston? Manaka, dreams can come true. I'm gonna make your dreams come true. Juice, 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 Bugatti, Bugatti, it's gotta be testnet! It's too easy! Did I get you? Kimba face doxed now. Hey, you know what? After today, we got tomorrow. If you need to get caught up, go on the YouTube. We got 4 years of this. All the distractive, yeah, they're like vibing in the background, like it's the stream's not even on. They're just listening to music. Or they're using this for their afternoon nap. XLRD. You know what? You might be onto something there. Yeah. Might be onto something there. Dude, I've started doing it more. I think it's hilarious though. I am a big fan of hoodies. I've had a dream that we all did like a big meetup. We all did a big meetup. That's gonna happen. Who would like that? That'd be amazing. Let's go, J-Bucks. I think that'd be cool. A lot of the gang has done IRL meetups. Especially like the PSG. Come to Amsterdam? Bet. Let's go, Calling Noob. Knowing all of the amazing people that are here, it just really gets that travel bug kind of ignited inside of me again. I used to love to travel. I haven't done much in the past couple years, but yeah, I'd love to go around again and meet up with different people in their home areas. That'd be super cool. Leo. I mean, it was leverage. Yeah. Mohan. He just went super heavy. Like, you do want to buy strength, but he went super heavy. Like, after the move. You know what I mean? That's my opinion anyways. And if he could have held on, if it wasn't for the extent of leverage, if he could have actually held on or positioned a little differently, he probably would have been fine. But he got strong. He got strong-armed hard, didn't he? That shit's a pretty crazy circus. Yeah, you shouldn't be, Curvies. Maybe that was like part of the stipulation to produce a certain return. And he was feeling that pressure. Or maybe he was just degen. You know, he had some like very loose connections to Sam a long time ago. Yeah, and I mean, for like going heavy into some of the IPOs, like, or yeah, I think it was Sky High was like really what was a major factor there. It was pretty crazy. He should have added margin and moved to stop loss. Let's go, JP. Let's go. It's Sato part 2 with billions. Let's go, JPX. Right. Right, Mohan. Yeah, so you're answering the questions for your financial advisors. Do you want the conservative strategy? Do you want the moderate? Or do you want the aggressive strategy? He went with like the fucking bull shark, the African wild hippo strategy, trying to be like the most testosterone crazy aggressive shit. We gotta get it. We gotta get it. Yeah, I mean, he doesn't care between 15 billion and 45 billion when it's not yours. And what's the difference? What's 30 billion gonna do for you anyways? Other than building like rocket ships and shit, like, dude, honestly, what do you... If you have $10 billion or $11 billion, what's the difference to you? Are you even gonna notice? That's the crazy, like, thing about how obscenely wealthy some of these people are. It just turns into those numbers. It's just like at a casino. Until you are doing something with it, it's not, it doesn't even feel real. Elon loses 30 billion each night in his sleep. I don't think he's losing sleep over it though, Curvies. Is he still in the trillionaire club? These people. Dude, I'm on the opposite side of the spectrum. I put my pants on 3 legs at a time. Just like all of you lions. It does. Yeah, probably. They didn't really say anything about that. It will be. It will be. And he still has the Tesla thing going. I don't think he's too worried about it. No one will ever be able to take the title away from him of being the world's first trillionaire. Yeah, I think he was just kidding, Mohan. That was a Sato strategy. Who's next? Kimba. Kimba. Stand up. He's coming next. Let's go. Coiner, yeah, maybe. That might be like a pretty heavy dick swinging contest. And I don't want to be around when the big dick starts swinging around. Between Nerd and Kimba, I bet you that's like, it'd be a Dude, they're both juicing. With that money, you can eat ice cream forever. That's really all that we need, isn't it, Cake Shower? That's what the third leg is for. Exactly, XLRD. What's you guys' third leg in your pants for? Shit. Shit. Dude, I saw this funny clip on Twitter like last week or something, and it was from this show called Boston Legal, like kind of an old show, I guess. I never watched it before, but it was like this dude's a lawyer, and some guy, he like walks up to some dude in a bar that's talking to his girlfriend, and they like get into altercation, and the guy's like, the lawyer dude takes a punch to the face, and he's like, okay, and then he like walks over to somebody else in the bar, the biggest dude he can find, and just gives him some cash and is like, hey, can you just like beat that dude up? And then he just starts handing other people money. He's like, yeah, you want to help him? Why get your hands dirty when you don't have to? Now, obviously, like, you can still get in trouble for that. But, yep. Sign me up. 10 Shiba KCEX coins. The Quania token has a nice ring to it. What's the ticker for it? LQ? Fighting Kimba's Gladiator Arena. We've all been there. Never forced out of positions. What do you mean? Yeah, he was, I think it was pretty clear the strategy he was taking, and once that was known, it kind of put a target on him, I think. Yeah, it seems like it is, Curvies. I don't know about the LQ anymore. No! You know what, though? You know what? We embrace everything here in Liquidity. We're all lions. We're all lions. I just got every one of them that had rainbows on them. We love all the lions. Let's go, Cappy. Let's go, JP. JP, dude. Dude.
Life hack.
I mean, I think you figured it out. Pin it. Clip it. El Pasoto. Yeah. Speaking of which, who juicing tomorrow, right? Exclamation who juicing, exclamation dashboard. Oh. I think we need to update the stream schedule. Both LGT and Who Juicing are at the exact same time. We're gonna have that's gonna be the the Battle Royale. We're gonna have Who Juicing going up against the LGT for who's gonna be the dominating stream spot at 2 p.m. New York time tomorrow. It's gonna be juice. It's gonna be juice. Buzz versus Houston. Oof. The split screen special. It could be like what do they call those?
Useless lines records.
I think it's a recipe for an amazing afternoon. Well, regardless, I think both of them are going to happen tomorrow. It is definitely a new... Wait a minute, I thought it was a new LIQUIDITY's Got Talent tomorrow. Okay. It probably is. Be there. And if you can't, then either ways, you should still submit some lyrics to get in the next one. I keep saying I'm gonna do it. I keep getting so tied up. I got a bunch of things I'm trying to cook up, especially by the end of the month. It's always new. Let's go, Houston. Let's go, Houston. So that should be pretty spicy tomorrow. Kimba live trading. Shays, you here? Or you were here earlier? Let's go, Houston. Kimba live trading. LIQUIDITY's Got Talent. Who juicing tomorrow? Some new CoinWise things. Who was in the Bitcoin talk and saw the new preview of one of the next things that's coming from CoinWise in the near future? Holy shit. If you haven't, just look in their search cage. Cage wins. In the Discord, exclamation Discord. Shoutouts to CoinWise. That's super exciting. And believe me, it is juice, way, way juicier than the things that are out there right now. I'll tell you that. Can't wait. Yeah, I've seen some people start using the CoinWise colors in their things, in their layouts. It's really juicy. Oh, you need one more submission? Shit, dude, if I had time to put it together this afternoon. What's the theme? I don't have time this afternoon. I might be able to do it tonight. But that might be a scramble for you, dude. Bummer. Is the theme CoinWise? We are adjusted on CME. Bad highs locally and further back. It's nearly 84 on CME. You don't need to adjust it way back for that. So it's 82.4. You're not adjusting for like the far historical price action from 2 months back or something. Kagam, you got 10 songs? Damn. I mean, you can't penalize him for that. That's sick. 10 songs. Dude, Kagam, you're a creator, huh? Shoutouts Kagam. Kagam, have you won? I don't want to do it and win. If I put one in, just everybody. Well, $250 could go to Baby Mandalo's college fund. Dude, I ain't gonna win that. Come on now. All right, let's go through our tickers. We're in power hour now. Strategy juicing the fuck up. Damn. Breaking those bad highs. All the way up to yearly EQ. It's playing some catch up. Yeah, be wary of the swing fail at this 138 level on the daily. Still is looking strong, especially on the weekly. You have a bit of a gap still to the upside, all the way up to nearly 150. Is anybody feeling like you missed out on strategy right now? I would kind of just monitor Bitcoin. Trying to save the monthly maybe. That's a good month though, huh? That's a good couple days. So from Friday, less than a week. Nine days, up 50%. That's a shit coin. Crazy. Thought about it at 90. Yeah, Curvies. And it held those lows too, huh? Generational entry. Pretty extended. Doesn't mean that it can't go further, but I don't know. You missed a lot of the move already. Look at VeChain. Okay. Are you in VeChain thang thang? What is the ticker on it? I haven't traded this one in so long. It's not in my list. What is it? Oh, thank you. Damn. What's going on with this? High at 0, low at 0. What's going on with this? Maybe it's because I have it on. God damn it. All right, now it's working. It's because it dropped to 0 and I didn't have enough decimal points. NPOC, you got a rotation right above. You trading this, Housty? Nice daily. Yeah, from that breakout. What is this one? Why do I have this on here? Oh, because it was on Biddy before. Excuse me. Yeah, so how good is this move? Pretty nice. It's almost as big. You bought a bit of spot a few months ago. Nice. I have some from like way back, but it's like before it lost a penny or something. It's not that much, so like, it's not like I'm wrecked or anything. I don't care. All right. I mean, pretty clear what happened. We broke out with strength when Bitcoin broke out, held and consolidate. Yesterday, another break above this consolidation, and you see what structure you had going on right here. Pretty much the same thing, kind of structure we had on Bitcoin before it broke out. Juicy. Look at those 4-hour candles. Damn. Trend candles getting a little bit neutral. Nothing yet. What is some targets for it? Well, if you want continuation of the move, and it kind of already did its retest, but maybe right at previous quarter VWAP too. That's pretty nice. Maybe you get a retest back down below this wick on the daily. If Biddy pulls back, is somewhere down here. Let's get the volume on that a little bit better. Yeah, somewhere in this range. That's a pretty big pullback. Maybe like to the 595 level. Somewhere in there, but I like the volume shelf kind of more. If it was to pull back. If it's just gonna go, it's gonna go. These highs right here, no good. So that's a pretty good target. Maybe that NPOC up here and get that rotation up at like pretty much 0.85 cents. Nvidia, the math's the math on Nvidia. We just looked at that when we came on stream, kind of the first thing. I'll go back to it and do something a little bit more. And if we are able to turn this area though into support, so that we were just looking at like kind of a low time frame pullback. I think it's possible if we get a daily or a couple of daily closes here, that it might just end up making another flag right around this volume. So you might get something like, Jesus Christ, this fucking thing. You might get something like it drifting back down and holding this structure through here. And that's not a bad pullback, even though the move is extremely aggressive. I'll get a box on here so it sticks around when I go into lower time frame. Yeah, see, it kind of already did it. It kind of already did it. So this is just like momentum play after momentum play. For those who are like feeling like they're missing out. I don't know if I would chase this one. Just wait for a pullback if it happens on Biddy, and then maybe you can get a little play on it. But Houston, you juicing, dude. It's looking pretty good for you, man. Some Pepe coin shit. I mean, V-Chain's been around for a long time. It's not as memey. Road to a penny. Ooh. Yeah. Drop a zero. That's always like a thing. What about Nvidia? Acton. How are you doing, Acton? Adalberto, how you doing? Nah, dude. I don't know. Never heard of it. Maybe in the maybe in BitBase or Ubit, exclamation Ubit. Probably get it there. Exclamation Ubit. Shoutouts to Ubit, shoutouts to BitBase for the giveaways last week. More to come very soon. Yeah, I got some exciting things that are getting cooked up. With CoinWise, with the stream, all over the place. All right, you want to see Nvidia? Well, let's look at the other altcoins really fast. The normal ones that we look at. And then we'll go back to the TRADFI. Just keep an eye on the clock. Sweat today. Sweat today. Yeah, and we always knew that that was gonna be a potential move with all of this piled up. And this is looking like it did with Bitcoin, except for there's like ETH didn't pull back as hard. It actually kind of held a little bit better, I think. So ETH made a higher high, Bitcoin didn't. Options, I would venture that tonight's options, you have some big open interest around 2,500. I'm gonna confirm. Confirm. Yeah, the quarterlies are still like by far surpassing.
Stack up, check the tape, Jerome speaking. Spy moving slow, but my team eating. Risk to reward, man, we too seasoned.
Yeah, 2,500 is massive. 2,400 is pretty big too. They might park it between the two.
Bears want blood, but we still hold weight, yeah. Market ain't shaking, I'm still feeling great, yeah.
For tomorrow morning. Yeah, but bulls are gonna juice on this one. Bulls are gonna juice on this ETH. Okay, and then Sol.
On the charts, that's a golden ratio. Entries too clean.
94 on Sol. Bad lows here. I think I'll be looking, and so bad lows, point of control for this range. around that area of the PDEQ. You know, it's cool to get the pullback here. It's holding this structure for now. Even if it goes higher, you will have the risk of just cleaning this the way Bitcoin did and having yet another pullback. Maybe it still pulls back to this level and we just get a little bit more contraction, a little bit more of a triangle. But in the short term, I would be interested in a pullback around that 2470 area. If I wasn't in anything. If Biddy is just a shallow thing. If you're already short, it gave you a nice setup. It might test the conviction of shorts, especially like into today or tomorrow morning. That's going to be a lot of people's stops. Probably this one. So if you get some closes up here, if it really like kind of pushes through, it might end up higher. Yeah, it might end up quite a bit higher on the daily. On the daily, we were talking about this low. The 2620, and that's traditionally a high time frame level anyways. So that might be if we begin to trade into that zone near the highs again and don't get shot down, you get some closes up near the mid 25s, that could be a good little target to visit again. The Sol, yeah, you remember the 110 to 120? How about this move on the daily? It's about to look like a pretty nice day. Breaking from the whole range. Damn. Took them long enough. Yep, and then the 120. Well, somewhere between here and here. Yeah, these. The 116 to 121. Probably the next target. Maybe shave up there a little bit. I'd be looking to. To get it on the action, you know, let's say on the weekend or something, it pulls back some. Somewhere through here. Somewhere around the $100. Structure. Yeah, it could hold all the way through like the mid 90s and still be like a higher low, but you don't want it going much below this level. It gave you enough time, believe me. But if you're just now figuring out that Sol is a blue chip coin and you're feeling rugrats, well, you now have a couple of ideas, I guess. How about hype? Yeah, look at this sold BTC. Finally broke out. Yeah, we keep an eye out on that too. It could be pretty good. Yeah, I got that. Hype, higher high, 86. Oh, or 92 is incoming. It doesn't mean it's incoming. Same structure that we have been watching on some of these other breakouts. Upward consolidation, ascending wedge, whatever you want to call it. And then breaking from that. Bullish. Orange man say hype. Mangler, what? Wicked Destiny on where? Jupiter. Rahman Pudgy, let's go. Thank you for the resub. Let's go. Hype, now you're just looking for the retest and it already retested. But we're just looking if we should long or short. I wouldn't short this yet. That's just me. That's that 92 number that I came up with. The 1.382 here, 1.618. Looking very, very good. So pretty much on a pullback, I would just keep it simple. If you want to get into like, I don't know about going heavy into like spot or anything on it, but if you want to trade it in discovery, you think it's going to go to 92. If it doesn't just go straight there, then maybe just like go for a pullback. I probably would want that one then, I guess, so it coincides with value area high. Yeah, it's between the 618 and, or between the golden pocket and the 7.5. If you do like the, just the real breakout momentum, I guess we can go from that low. Value area high from the most local low, I guess. I don't know. Lines up with the golden pocket. It's so annoying when trading view. Like, it's the app that sucks. Damn, that's in right in the IB for today. That's a good move for today. but nothing like it was last week. Nothing like it was last week. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you just get like a pullback to VWAP. That's pretty crazy. Stop putting my bank account balance in the chat, Mangler. Stop doxing that. Holy shit, dude.
FBI, open up!
Fuck. Shoutouts for love and peace. How you doing? Shishi Booey, how you doing, brother? Inky, how you doing? Wall Street, Sacha. Good afternoon. I see. All right, let's get it over into the TRADFI. I guess we'll see Sui really fast because I just got a soft spot for Sui. Oh, Corona's breaking back into the $6 range. Let's go. Shoutouts Cage. Sui, nice retest. Probably want to get back inside here on the daily. Pretty typical. Rejected here pretty hard. 80 cents would be a nice one to break into. Let's go, Dot. Finally.
Gang life at ease. Oh, that's lit. So clean, we stacking bit by bit. Take it loud, we stay legit. That's just how the Kimba gang is. We don't flinch. Levels moving heavenly. I've seen plays fall apart, seen emotions break hearts, but we stay smooth, be smart, risk low, entry sharp, daily close, full rotation. RTH got feel Monday, don't be impatient. We just vibe, wait for edge and take it. Profits come not chasing on a weekend.
All right, we're about to vibe out on that new song. Look at some gold, some S&P, some Nvidia. I'm on the recovery. I'm on the mend, Shishibui. Thank you. Yeah, I feel you, Inky. It's not a top long if it's not the top though, but I understand. Yeah, if it makes a lower low, you're right.
Kimba, where you at?
This is the new. Shoutouts to Useless Lines Records.
Kimba, where you at? Levels, better know 'em when you enter trades. Pressure, that's what separates the grades. Wait, everybody wanna anticipate. Kimba drew the plans before the open, now we let it demonstrate. I don't know what chart you're watching, I don't know what plan you're plotting, but if you're clicking every candle, let's start popping and wondering why every position stopping, we can prepare. Daily levels already there, I shift in CVD, splitting volume notes, taking prices, the zone and position start hitting. Patience, that's something they don't teach enough. Everybody wants Bugatti money, nobody wanna build themselves up. I've taken losses
Facts.
from them. Bad weeks, I work through Monday, like, what's good?
Yeah, I'm on a mission, different position. I don't need 20 predictions. Give me a level reaction, divergence. What's the volume? That's a different kind of riches. Oh, I'm sorry, don't be mad. Hold up. How many times I gotta tell them the math? Before they finally understand, you don't become dangerous.
Let's go.
You become dangerous following your plan. That's preparation, that's repetition, that's sitting through nothing and keeping discipline.
Let me see some Kimba wiggles.
Give me a sign. Give me a sign. We built this minute by minute, hours and hours. Coinwise and Kimba, that's the definition of power. New data, new tools. Coinwise leveled up the crew. White lions came from watching the charts. Now lions understand what they're looking through. Oh, 330-minute candles for me and a mean ass looking SFP. Call it the wick of destiny. Watch that divergence underneath. Shorts getting stacked while price won't crack. Somebody's trapped if we squeeze.
We squeeze. Oh shit, we need to get the Church of Liquidity.
You're walking onto the court with professionals, thinking your competition is average until the market starts testing your character.
Kimba.
Came this far, made it through. Wise lions breaking through.
Juice. Shout out to Wise Lions.
Hit the zone, now what's the move? Don't assume, let it juice. New tools, new data too. Coinwise, whole damn pride got something new. Even when we lose, come back and prove. That's what years in the do. Juice it up, juice it up. Wise lions know what's up.
Kimba gang, we ain't done.
Shout outs Useless Lines Records. Good song. That's for sure. No, it's brand new. Brand new. Houston said to play it. Let's go, Curvies. Turn it back down a little. Turn it back down a little bit. Hey, what do y'all think about challenge account? You see some live trading from Mandalo stream too? What do you think? Ooh, sneak peek genre for LGT. Nice, trap opera. Love it. Exclamation talent show. Yeah, what do you think? Challenge account? $1 to 100?
Life changed and I rose up. Every closed door got me grown up. More grace every time I touch something. I don't chase it, I just show up.
Dude, I'm that's going to be a pretty good challenge, Houston. Between me and you, who do you think can do it first? That's going to be the new who juicing. Oh, gotcha. Snap diddly. No, dude. You've been doing this long enough, man. You've been doing this long enough. What do you do? What are you supposed to do? You depot. Hello. Hello. Come on, man. We've learned from the best. General Potato, probably. Yeah, dude, except for the fucking stop loss is like 5 cents on Bitcoin. Sung Do? Yeah. Yeah. It's over. Yeah, the challenge account on, what was that one? Market Maker? There it is. It was like on 1 second candles or something. Dude, I tried that once. TX Flow. That'd be juice. It's gonna be on one of the ones that we've been using a lot lately. I don't know if it's gonna be on Texas. That'd be cool though. Hey, holla at your boy, Texas Flow. I mean TX Flow. You know that that's with the greatest amount of love and respect. I love Texas. So it's nothing against y'all if you get upset that I said Texas. Because we know you guys are going to do it big down there. Sato, bless me. Let's go, Curvies. Okay, let's go through the tickers real quick. We are seeing strategy. Nothing's changed on gold. It's getting back into this this consolidation again above value. Yeah, it's the T-val, not the volume. This is CFDs anyway. It's safe to say that it's holding the breakout. You could even retrace all the way back down to like 45, 40. It had some more room. Holding this is more bullish. And then silver, oh, is it gonna have a higher high on the daily close finally? Are they gonna hold it below 70? Hold it below 70 once again. I think it is, General. It's come and consolidated for this long. I think that 82 high is not Seifu. I don't know though, man. I'm just some dude. I'm playing for both. I'm playing for both. What do you think, General Potato? What are you doing? What kind of position are you in? I still had TPs at that high. If that clarifies things a little bit. The highs at 150 aren't great. It was a nice pullback to kind of the pre-list price on SpaceX, and it held that 150 pretty well, or the 135 pretty well on the daily even. certainly on the weekly. The highs weren't great. The highs weren't great through here. So coming and grabbing that. Probably don't want to slip back down below like 138. Yeah, then you're starting to risk breaking the trend, I think, in the 137 area. You got an NPOC down below. But it could bounce, previous day settlement, weekly VWAP. Plenty of support. We already had monthlies on a lot of things, but you got until Monday for like the individual stocks. So weekly options tomorrow is like the only thing before that. Hidden bull on CVD or on RSI? Yeah, General Potato. I like that. I like that. That thought process. Sounds like you got to figure it out, but I think that that's a good plan. Yeah, and it's juicing right now, so you can't lose. Nvidia. Realistically, I think that those highs are going to get taken. It's a matter of time, especially off of those earnings. But I mean, it's very strong. But if everything pulls back a little bit, it just is going to be a matter of time. Yeah, now it's just holding VWAP on the daily. Wanting to hold above this value. Definitely looking better. So, had it been this morning, we would have been looking at the sweep. Up here. Now we're looking for a daily close above that. Above 220, like really 228. For higher in the near term. So, CBD spot, yeah. Let's get it, General Potato. Apple still holding the trend. So until it's a break, it's just like if you're trying to get on board and trade like the lower time frame, Gucci. It's just like a range, and it's just pulling back, holding fibs and local structure. You get that on a lot of them. I don't want to do that. I mean, almost held a golden pocket on that pullback. In settlement. Shout outs to CoinWise for just making all these layers of confluence that we can overlay to have conviction with our moves. Now it's holding settlement. So break through settlement, come back and retest it, clean up these bad highs is kind of the next idea. Pretty crazy they held that, but gammas have a major factor here. Best way to draw a FRVP: swing high, swing low. It depends on the price action, General Potato. So sometimes I'll draw it just for the move, if it's a trend. Yeah, it depends on what you're trying to do. Yeah, I'm glad to draw that. I love talking volume. Let me get on something that you're gonna see real volume on. Hold on, let's see if there's anything else cool. Yeah, Microsoft is looking pretty strong. That's crazy on the daily. Right off the open. Overreaction. Micron, Jesus. Did it close that gap? Yeah, probably 350 on Tesla. Clean this. Those highs are bad. Looking for higher, maybe 360. Cleaning all this. Looking for a pullback. I know I'm rushing it, but it's the end of the market. There's not a whole lot of things to talk about at this point. Yeah, let's get an FRVP little look. Don't refresh Twitch, it's broken. Oh shit. All right, Inky. Uh-oh. Stream's acting weird for you? Oh no. Shishi booey. Fuck. That's what happened. I think my iPad's crashed the stream. Damn it. Go over to... If it's not working, come over to the YouTube. For the last few minutes. Oh, GTA 6? It dropped? Drop a like too. All right, Potato. Okay. Mark. Oh man, Mark. Well, we're about to get off, so hopefully Twitch will get their shit together. Short Amazon. Short Amazon. Not financial advice. All right. What did I draw that line for? Damn. Okay. So, Potato. General. Yeah, probably. I mean, if this was like a long time ago, so that's like pretty basic for like looking at a back test, but it's actually kind of inaccurate if you're doing that. It's really only good in the current time frame. So like, let's say we were like just right here. That's the only time that you care about. Otherwise, if you're trying to like really see how it's developing and how it's evolving through to understand the reactions at the areas of the profile or volume levels, then what you want to do is do the developing and and see the oscillation of it, how it's moving, where it's reacting. This is value area high. It pulled back from here, finally reclaimed the point of control, and it juiced up. Yep, flipped that point of control, and it was Bugatti. That's for the range. Just that little lower consolidation range pull. I mean, it was a long time. Hold value on that pullback here. Clean it because it held value, but it didn't make a lower low. Clean it, hold, failed auction below. You had divergence. Finally get back inside. That was now the point of control. Close above it, rotate. So really, once you get a close back inside value, you're looking for a range rotation anyways. Or that's part of your thesis. But that's like the range pull. If you're looking at it for like a breakout, because you could do like the whole swing high to swing low, and that's even cooler. You see how I contracted, but if I went I broke it. TradingView app sucks. You don't need to. You don't need to, but I'm just saying, like, if you're like back testing, if you're like trying to look back at how price was reacting in these different areas, then that's going to be more valid. If you have it in just like the normal, so like if I have VRV, do I have it on here? There's a simple one. It's just going to look like this is value area low for the whole way across, but that's not actually the case. So you're like, oh yeah, it held value area low and like it perfectly tested it so many times. Not exactly. Not exactly. That's like the more accurate look at it. That's where it was on the day that price was trading right here. It was creating it, yeah. So in the current session, like this is the only thing that really matters if you're like looking at the chart in this whole range. If we were just like looking at from this breakout and that range until it was lost again, so to consider appreciate the levels from up here, well, we don't really care about all of that. You could, like, unless you're doing the historical, if you're only like just trying to get the levels from that piece of price action, you don't need to do that. You don't have to have the developing, and you don't, unless you're like looking back historically, you don't need the developing. It's going to change like every candle, as long as it's included in the recent price action. Okay, daily close on S&P. We can just project that forward. So there's your value area high and point of control right here from previous levels. Once it came in, I mean, it pretty much just like launched right through it, huh? Where's that? Where's the bottom of it? I'll go to here. Yeah, so a little bit lower. It's pretty funny for this. That's exactly value area high over here. So get inside that value area low. We're breaking from value here, and either way you slice it, I don't even gotta look at that anymore. Either way you slice it, we trade into there, and it was just like, juice. So the different ways you can, yeah, and I guess I could have gone like that. Not that it matters really, but we didn't get until today. It still hasn't gotten a close outside of that. Now for your like breakouts, yeah, swing high to swing low isn't wrong. How I like the swing high to swing low. It's especially if you have like a big liquidation event or something. You had a whole lot more. There's like a divergence here, so it wasn't as significant. But I'm gonna slap an anchor VWAP on and my profile, and that's gonna produce a little bit more edge when you're starting to trend upwards from that bottom. Look at those VWAP bands. It like held it the whole way. I'll hide that. The standard deviation. Strictly for volume. I'll turn off the RVP. Pretty cool, but the breakout, let's go back into like an hourly chart just to be a little bit less. Maybe I'll go from the origin. Maybe I'll go a little bit like actually from the impulse candle where the volume really started coming in. I guess it was, yeah, it was this one. Step of this, it was a really, really thin move, kind of hang around, consolidate, and then structure and value break every single time. That was the stairs up action. So even if it's not the high, you're looking at the break. Let's just say from this end right here. I really got to get out of here, but you get me talking about volume. The first move, it's breaking from that value. Here, I'll throw another one on. That's the first candle that it closed outside, really. Or that it broke that structure, broke above. It's just an extra point of confluence. Dude, it's just a tool on TradingView. Isn't that cool? CoinWise levels and stuff, they will update for the sessions as well. And you have the CoinWise dynamic fixed range profile that'll just show the levels. So you're not seeing like the profile with it, and in that nature, it can like go really far back for TPO also. But it's just an easy way to pull it. It's an easy way to pull it. Shoutouts to CoinWise though. They have like a lot of information on this too. Absolutely. Does it make sense to you, General Potato? It doesn't have to just be for like a bullish move. You can do it for a bearish move too. Shoutouts Curvis. Thanks, brother. Let's go. Clap, clap. Yeah, watch that dashboard to see if the options change at all through the night. Nerding out on these moves, juicy. Let's go, Mark. Leap of faith. Dude, this expansion, like, throw some Bollinger Bands on this. There's gonna be a Bollinger video about to come out, but dude, if you haven't been using Bollingers, that's another cool way to look at it. You saw it, like, kind of hinted on stream last stream, maybe it was on Monday. Yeah, the context matters for sure. Yeah, I love my volume though. All right, shout outs to all y'all nerding out with me this afternoon. Sorry that Twitch was a huge cachoya, but I appreciate all of you sticking through. Yeah, maybe Band-Aid loves it. He's a big wave guy too. Shout outs to maybe Band-Aid. But shout outs to all of you for nerding out this afternoon. We got some big things coming out next week and into the next month. Twitch is not twitching, bummer. So it's going to be exciting. Shouts to CoinWise. Some really big things are coming from them. New things on Kimba TV. Be here for Kimba Live Trading tomorrow. Who Juicing and the Liquidity's Got Talent Show. Exclamation dashboard. Get your UIDs updated. September, I hear there's going to be some big giveaways. Make sure that you get all updated. You still have some time on the TX flow to get some volume up for the first airdrop that's coming. That's huge, Kachoy Curvies. Well, hopefully they get it together. I'm sure they will. It's the GTA thing, I bet you. Crazy. Absolutely, Roscoe. Thanks for joining today. Vazia, I don't know what happened, but it is something sketchy. Nothing else on the screen? That's crazy. You can't send messages. That's messed up. All right, y'all. Well, I will catch you in the chat. Hopefully catch you in the Discord through the weekend. Touch grass. Don't go too big. Watch that 80 and 81 through tomorrow morning. Head on a swivel for the higher high. And for the liquidity sweep. Plans in the Kimba's Den, exclamation Discord, exclamation CoinWise. Yeah, that's a bummer, Mark. We managed through. Shout outs to you. Thank you to all the Lions. You guys are legends. Shout outs to Kimba. Shout outs to the entire team. Cage, Husty, Buzz, Cyber, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Yeah, it is. Curvies, bummer. You have a good one too, Curvies. Have a great weekend. Much love. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Flow Phantom. Shishi Booey. Curvies. Dude, it's crazy. I'll be back for market open on Monday. Maybe you get a preview of some new things. Let's go. Shout outs to CoinWise, coinwise.com/dashboard. Appreciate y'all. Ubit. Let's go. TX Flow, BitBase, exclamation dashboard. Big thank you as always to Kimba. And of course, to all of you. Love y'all. Have a great weekend. Peace.
I feel blessed.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits, flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction, the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market up for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We